Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about one of the most beloved fruits, bananas. Bananas are delicious and versatile, and they are also packed with nutrients. In this video, we will be showing you 10 separate ways to eat bananas. So, let us get started. The most common way to eat bananas is raw. You just need to peel the banana and eat it as it is. Bananas are a perfect snack on the go and can be eaten anytime, anywhere. Another wonderful way to enjoy bananas is in a smoothie. You can blend a banana with some milk or yogurt and add some honey or cinnamon to make it even tastier. Banana bread is a classic recipe that is loved by everyone. You can make it by mashing up some ripe bananas and mixing them with flour, sugar, eggs, and some baking powder. You can then bake it in the oven for a delicious treat. If you love pancakes, you should try banana pancakes. You can add mashed bananas to your pancake batter and cook them as you would normally. This will give your pancakes a sweet and fruity taste. Banana chips are a great snack that you can make at home. You can then sprinkle some salt or cinnamon on them for added flavor. Banana pudding is a classic dessert that is loved by many. You can make it by layering sliced bananas, vanilla pudding, and whipped cream in a bowl. You can then chill it in the fridge for a few hours before serving. A banana split is a fun and delicious dessert that you can make at home. You just need to slice a banana in half and place it in a bowl. You can then add some ice cream, chocolate sauce, and whipped cream on top for a tasty treat. Banana ice cream is a healthy and delicious alternative to regular ice cream. You can make it by freezing some ripe bananas and blending them in a food processor until they are smooth and creamy. Chocolate-covered bananas are a tasty and easy treat that you can make at home. You just need to dip some peeled bananas in melted chocolate and let them cool in the fridge for a few hours. If you love oatmeal, you should try adding some mashed bananas to your bowl. This will give your oatmeal a sweet and creamy flavor that is perfect for breakfast. There you have it, 10 separate ways to eat bananas. We hope you found this video helpful and that you will try some of these delicious recipes at home. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.